Bawal po ang ingay and no coaching. Okay, nandyan po ang Teacher Michelle. Iba niya ba mga kailangan gamit? Ano po niya lahat ang inyong mga kilos at gala. Diba? Our first category is about sports. Okay, listening now. The chief official who is expected to ensure fair play. The word is referee. Again, ang pagsusulat ko ay pag nag-go pa ako. He was a rugby football referee in his spare time at one time. The word is referee. Go.